Hello today everybody. I'm going to pick this ABUS 5540. It's got a pretty weak bitting. It's actually the second one I picked up. This will be my first lock picking video. I need my 40 thousandths pry bar. And I'm going to try the DeForest Diamond. Oh, not quite tight enough there. There we go. Letting everybody drop back down just so I don't see who I overset. Alright. Number one seems to be getting up there pretty high. This is not going well. Let's try the Peterson gem instead. Picking the warding a little bit there. And there we go. This has got to be the weakest Peterson, or the weakest ABUS I have found. Doesn't seem to have any security pins in it. Try that one more time. I didn't get any counter rotation or anything on this guy. So I don't think he has any security pins. That was a little overset, I think, so we'll try again. Just going up the stack, that was 2, and 1 is binding a little bit. 1 feels set. Just to miss somebody. Alright, well, we'll have to leave it at that. And there we go, another one. No counter rotation, just some nice clean sets all the way up the stack. Again, this was an ABUS, well, it says it's an ABUS 5540. From ABUS Hong Kong. I don't know if you can read the description on there. Notice the other one that I have has beveled edges at the top, and this one doesn't. So I'm kind of wondering if this might be it. And this one doesn't have the logo on the top either. It has Made in China on the bottom, so it's definitely a different production run than the other one that I have that seems to have security pins in it. And it's got this weak bitting. It's pretty weak one. Anyway, that's my ABUS 5540.